Hello and welcome. TikTok is the viral social media platform of this lockdown. I like these videos so much that I've downloaded many of such videos on my smartphone and I keep watching them whenever the internet is down. That's not why you are here. Like you, many people have come to me and asked how to download TikTok videos without watermark. Whenever I download TikTok videos, that moving watermark irritates me a lot. But don't worry, there's a way to get rid of that watermark and we'll get to that in a bit. On your phone, open the TikTok video you wish to download. Hit the share icon and select Save Video. This will automatically save the video on your phone's local storage. This is the most straightforward method to download a TikTok video, but you'll get videos with that giant watermark floating around. If that's fine, you can stop watching now. If you want to find out how to download TikTok videos without that watermark, let's get to that now. Open TikTok on your phone and select the video you wish to download. Open it, tap share and select copy link.
Next, open any browser, search Google how to download TikTok video without a watermark. You see some website here. I want to visit first link.
Now paste the video link in the search box and hit download. After that, select download MP4 now, followed by selecting download video now on the next screen to save the video locally.
Alternatively, you can visit other website. Same way you can download videos. You can see my videos already downloaded. And finally, remove watermark.
That's all for this video, guys. Did you find it helpful? Share your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. As always, thanks for watching.